What is up, guys? Bachman's Garage back at you again with another Airsoft video. Today we're going to be going over toolbox setup and or just an overall gearbox that you would take to your usual field or skirmish or whatever you want to call it. The box that you see now is an older Plano, I think that's how you pronounce it, tackle box. And this is what I was using for my Airsoft tools. I've since upgraded. I just got that other case you see off to the right. I got that yesterday, set it up last night the way I want it. But for beginners or whatever, this box right here is not bad at all. I mean, it's just your standard tackle box. Flips open. You have the bottom. There's a couple things in there, obviously, but you have the bottom, then the two tiers. The little compartments are nice if you have smaller tools and Allen wrenches and stuff like that. So you can usually pick one of these up for anywhere from like $8 to $10, maybe a little more depending on where you get it and how much they are. But yeah, so that's not important. But yeah, I just wanted to show you I upgraded. You can see how tiny this thing is. So not bad box though. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got a 18-inch heavy-duty impact-resistant Voyager toolbox. It's got all the little compartments and the racks and stuff. Here you can see the dimensions, and it weighs 8 pounds empty. All the features and stuff on it. Not important, but figured I'd show you that. So that's that. Now for the case itself, I bought one of these carabiners just to keep it latched. You can put a padlock on it. That's what that hole's there for. It has these nice little metal rings if you want to put a sling on it, so you can carry it like a messenger bag. You have the handle that flips forward. It does not flip the whole way. It stops right there, but it folds flat, so it's nice and level. It has the metal buckles to hold the case down. It's a good ABS or polymer material, I'm not sure. I do have two labels in this little inlay they have here for a label. One says Airsoft tools and the other one says ammo and batteries, because that is what is in this case. This is basically what I would take to the field. I'd have my ammo, my batteries, my charger. I can still fit CO2s in there. And then I have all my tools and stuff if I need it. And then I just carry my rifles in their case and my rigging and everything else in my gear bag with all my other like BDUs and jackets and stuff. So inside the case we have all my screwdrivers up top, which you might not be able to see. I might have to pan the camera a little closer. Let's see here. We have little flathead, Phillips flat, just different sizes. 6mm Allen wrench, ratcheting, right angle screwdriver, 1/4-inch ratchet. This is just a little tool that came with an airsoft gun at one point, so I just kept it. Never know when you're going to need something like that. We have 45-degree angle, needle nose, regular needle nose, universal screwdriver. It's got multiple bits in it, so you can use that for whatever. And then we'll go lower. We have a smart charger and a regular trickle charger just as a backup, just in case. This is an entire spool of hook and loop Velcro. You can use it for patches. You can use it for whatever you want. This stuff's cheap. This whole roll is like $6. I haven't used any yet, but I just got it just in case I need it. We got 2 sets of Allen wrenches, one standard, one metric. Claw hammer, just in case, you never know when you're going to need a hammer. And then you have dikes, regular pliers, small adjustable, and a couple larger zip ties in this compartment. We have another barrel condom, barrel cover, whatever you want to call it, some wiping cloths, old flash hider for the M4, electrical tape, and a couple little Allen wrenches and some other spare parts. We have a lighter. You never know when you're going to need a lighter. Pen, razor knife. We have a little notebook in here and a Sharpie. So that's it for underneath there. This little thing pops out. In here we have the smaller zip ties, I think like 150 of them, and we have some metric and standard sockets along with some bits and a bit extension, so that stays in that little case. And this case sits over here with these nice little notches and stuff. And then here we have where my ammos are. We got .25s, .2s, and then this is where my .46s will go for my sniper whenever I get that. And then I have an 8.4 and a 9.6 battery along with a high cap and a normal speed loader, 90 round and 150 round. So that's everything that I would need. And then I keep more ammo in my actual like cabinet and everything, so when those get low and I need to refill them, I just refill them, put them back in here, then I just grab this whole case and head to the field and I'm ready. So hope that was a little in-depth of what you might need for airsoft, what might be a good setup. You know, this case cost me about 30 bucks. All the tools and everything inside it might have cost me $50, not including the price of the batteries and the ammo. I made those little bags for the BBs and everything out of these barrel condoms. I might make a video in the future as to how to do that. They're pretty neat. But yeah, so the case cost me about 30 or 35 bucks. All the tools inside of it and everything cost me maybe $50, including like the charger and all that. But yeah, this is all stuff you can get at Harbor Freight, so it's a good setup for beginners for airsoft. And as long as you're not doing major modifications to your guns out on the field, you probably won't need much more than this. Maybe if you have a specific thing for your gun, you might need to put it in here, but yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.